Welcome to Tech Wheels, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today we're diving into a crucial topic. Why can electric vehicle repairs be so expensive? While the promises of low maintenance and affordable repairs sound appealing, the reality is quite different. Let's uncover the 10 main reasons why electric vehicles might end up in junkyards and why repairs can be so costly. Number 10. High cost of components. Reason number 10 is the high cost of components. Electric vehicles come equipped with expensive batteries, electric motors, and inverters, which are significantly more costly than internal combustion engine parts. For instance, replacing an electric vehicle battery can cost between $5,000 and $15,000 depending on the model. These high component costs are directly reflected in repair costs, making any significant intervention quite pricey. Number 9. Long repair times. Reason. Number 9 is long repair times. Repairs for electric vehicles often take longer than for internal combustion engine cars. This is due to the complexity of electronic systems and the need to order specialized parts that are not always readily available. Extended wait times for parts and repairs not only increase costs, but can also leave owners without their vehicle for weeks. Number 8. Complexity of electronic systems. Reason number 8 is the complexity of electronic systems. Electric vehicles are equipped with numerous integrated electronic systems, such as battery management, energy control, and driver assistance features. These systems are complex and require advanced diagnostic tools and specialized skills to repair. The complexity of these systems increases repair time and costs, as each problem requires thorough analysis and specific tools. Number 7. Scarcity of spare parts. Reason. Number 7 is the scarcity of spare parts. Unlike internal combustion engine vehicles, electric vehicles use less common parts that often need to be ordered directly from the manufacturer. This can lead to significant delays and higher costs. When parts are rare and hard to come by, repair costs go up and waiting times can be extended. Number 6. Software issues. Reason. Number 6 is software issues. Electric vehicles heavily rely on software to manage various systems, and bugs or software malfunctions can cause complex problems. Software updates may fix some issues, but sometimes direct dealer intervention is needed. Software problems can be challenging to diagnose and fix, often requiring specialized assistance and increasing repair costs and times. Number 5. Lack of trained professionals. Reason number 5 is the lack of trained professionals. With the rise in electric vehicles, the demand for skilled technicians is growing, but training is still insufficient. For example, only 10% of mechanics in the UK are certified to work on electric vehicles. The shortage of trained technicians leads to higher repair costs and makes it difficult to find a professional capable of handling electric vehicle issues. Number 4. Structural damage from accidents. Reason number 4 is the cost of structural damage after an accident. Electric vehicles, while having fewer moving parts, have specialized batteries and structures that are costly to repair. Even minor collisions can cause significant damage to the battery or structural support. Replacing the battery or structural support can be extremely expensive, often leading to the vehicle being considered a total loss. Number 3. Damaged Teslas as scrap cars. Reason number 3 is damaged Teslas ending up as scrap cars. Vehicles with relatively minor damage often end up in junkyards rather than being repaired. This is due to a combination of high repair costs and difficulties in obtaining spare parts. The lack of spare parts and high repair costs make it more economical to sell the car for parts or scrap rather than repairing it. Number 2. Complexity of repairs. Reason. Number 2 is the complexity of repairs. Electric vehicles have numerous integrated systems and advanced software. Diagnosing and repairing these complex systems requires specialized tools and skills. This complexity increases repair time and costs, as each issue requires detailed analysis and specialized knowledge. Number 1. Reliability issues. Finally, reason number 1 is reliability. Despite their lower number of moving parts, electric vehicles often face reliability issues. Recent surveys, such as those from SourceName, show that electric vehicles have about 80% more problems compared to internal combustion engine cars. Frequent issues include electric drive motors and charging components. Additionally, infrastructure problems such as malfunctioning public chargers contribute to the overall perception that electric vehicles are not worth the repair costs. In summary, while electric vehicles offer many benefits, such as lower emissions and a smoother drive, there are significant challenges when it comes to repairs and maintenance. High component costs, long repair times, and issues with spare parts are just some of the difficulties owners face. Have you had experiences with electric vehicle repairs? What challenges have you faced? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more insights. Thanks for watching Tech Wheels. See you next time.